Managing diabetes is often thought of as cutting carbs, taking medication, and checking your blood sugar. But here's the truth: those things alone don't protect you from long-term damage. What most diabetics don't realize is that there are silent defenders inside your body, nutrients called antioxidants that keep your blood vessels, nerves, kidneys, eyes, and even your heart safe. Without them, high blood sugar slowly tears your body down, and by the time symptoms show up, it's often too late. The problem is, most diabetics are running low on these antioxidants without even knowing it. That's why in this video, I'm going to reveal the top 3 antioxidants that every diabetic absolutely must take. These are not optional. They are the foundation of protecting yourself against complications. I'll also show you what deficiency looks like, what foods are rich in these nutrients, and the best supplements if your diet isn't enough. Stick with me until the end, because once you understand this, you'll never look at diabetes management the same way again. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are more than just good fats. For diabetics, they are literally life-saving. Why? Because they directly reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, support your brain and nerves, and protect your heart. The modern diet is dangerously low in omega-3 south and extremely high in omega-6 fats from processed oils and junk foods. This imbalance is like pouring gasoline on the fire of diabetes. If you don't get enough omega-3 south, your body lets you know. Do you struggle with constant fatigue, low mood, depression, or brain fog? That could be omega-3 deficiency affecting your neurotransmitters. Are you finding it nearly impossible to lose weight, no matter how hard you try? That's because omega-3s are needed for proper fat metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Low libido, poor fertility, nerve pain, and worsening circulation are also big warning signs. On a deeper level, K3 deficiency accelerates neuropathy, kidney damage, and diabetic retinopathy. It also increases your risk of heart disease, #1 cause of death for diabetics. And here's the shocking part. Research shows nearly 70 to 80% of diabetics are deficient in omega-3s. But there's good news. Omega-3s south are easy to replenish if you know the right foods. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are the best sources. Just one serving of salmon gives you more than your daily requirement of EPA and DHA. The active forms of omega-3s south your body desperately needs. If your plant-based chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts are excellent options, though they provide ALA, which your body has to convert. The conversion isn't very efficient, so you'll need more of them compared to fish. If you're serious about supplementation, fish oil and algae oil are the best options. High-quality fish oil capsules usually provide 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams per capsule, and taking 2 to 3 a day can transform your blood sugar and heart health. Vegetarians can use algae oil, which is a direct source of DHA. The bottom line is simple: if you're diabetic and not focusing on omega-3 south, you're leaving yourself wide open to complications. Adding them consistently can reduce inflammation, stabilize your blood sugar, ease nerve pain, and protect your heart for years to come. Alpha-Lipoic Acid ALA. Next up is alpha-lipoic acid. It's also known as ALA. This antioxidant is unique because it works in both fat and water, meaning it protects every part of your body. It helps your mitochondria, the little engines in your cells, produce energy more efficiently. For diabetics, this means fewer blood sugar spikes and less fatigue. But here's where ALA really shines. It regenerates other antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, boosting your body's entire defense system. Most importantly, it protects your nerves. Diabetic neuropathy, those painful tingling or burning sensations in your hands and feet, is one of the most common and devastating complications. ALA has been proven to reduce neuropathy symptoms and even repair nerve damage when taken consistently. If you've been struggling with constant tiredness, brain fog, low mood, stubborn weight gain, or nerve pain, there's a good chance you're low in ALA. In fact, studies suggest 30 to 40% of diabetics are deficient because high blood sugar depletes your antioxidant stores and makes it harder for your body to use them effectively. ALA is found in foods like spinach, broccoli, potatoes, nutritional yeast, and beef liver. A single serving of beef liver can cover almost half your daily ALA needs, while a broccoli and spinach dish can give you a good boost. But here's the challenge: dietary sources are usually too low to make a therapeutic impact, especially if you already have nerve problems. That's why many experts recommend supplementation. Taking 300 to 600 milligrams per day has been shown in studies to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce nerve pain, and protect your kidneys and eyes. Imagine waking up with less burning in your feet or having more energy during the day. That's the power of ALA. Just like with omega-3s, the key is consistency. Over weeks and months, ALA builds up your antioxidant defenses, strengthens your mitochondria, and helps your body cope with the constant stress of high blood sugar. Selenium. The third antioxidant is selenium, the forgotten mineral that could make all the difference in your diabetes journey. Selenium isn't just a trace mineral. It's a critical part of enzymes that protect your body from oxidative damage. It also regulates thyroid function, which controls metabolism, energy, and weight, all of which are issues diabetics often struggle with. Many diabetics are deficient in selenium because high blood sugar increases oxidative stress, which depletes it faster. Kidney complications also make it harder to regulate selenium levels. The result is fatigue, depression, weight gain, fertility problems, poor immunity, and more. But the real danger is what happens inside your body. Without enough selenium, diabetic neuropathy worsens, kidney function declines, and your risk of retinopathy goes up. Your heart and blood vessels also suffer, raising the chance of heart attacks and strokes. Estimates suggest that 25 to 30% of diabetics are deficient, especially those with kidney problems. So how do you fix it? Selenium is surprisingly easy to get if you know the right foods. Brazil nuts are the most powerful source. Just one nut can give you more than your entire daily requirement. Tuna, salmon, sunflower seeds, mushrooms, and brown rice are also excellent choices. Want a delicious way to boost selenium? Try a Brazil nut-crusted salmon, a mushroom, and sunflower seed salad, or a simple tuna steak with lemon. These meals not only taste incredible, but also deliver the selenium your body desperately needs. If you're still struggling to get enough, supplements are available. Around 200 micrograms per day is usually enough to correct deficiencies. Be careful, not all supplements are created equal. So choose a trusted brand and avoid going overboard, as too much selenium can be harmful. By keeping your selenium levels steady, you protect your thyroid, improve your energy, strengthen your immune system, and most importantly, shield your nerves, kidneys, eyes, and heart from diabetic damage. Conclusion: so, to bring it all together, the three most important antioxidants for every diabetic are omega-3 fatty acids, alpha-lipoic acid, and selenium. These aren't just nice-to-have nutrients. They are essential if you want to prevent complications and live a longer, healthier life with diabetes. Each one tackles a different battlefield. Omega-3s fight inflammation and protect your heart. ALA defends your nerves and boosts your energy. And selenium strengthens your immune system and safeguards your organs. If you take control of these three nutrients, you'll notice more stable blood sugar, more energy, less nerve pain, and a stronger defense against the silent damage diabetes tries to cause every single day. Remember, managing diabetes is not just about avoiding sugar. It's about building your body's defenses from the inside out. And these antioxidants are the shield that can help you do it.